Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to align table in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now then go to the table menu and insert any table. Now insert the plain table. Now firstly select the table and down this. Now decrease the table size. Now firstly select the table and here are row and column size. Now decrease this size. Then now do this. Now align the table. Now firstly select the table, drag on the select this table and here are arrange menu. Now go to the arrange menu. Now here are the align drop down menu. Now click this and here we can see here are left align, center align, right align, top, middle, bottom, easily. I am go select center or middle. Now you can see align table in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.